Hello, this is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Thursday, July 23rd. Well, we want to go ahead and exit British Petroleum on a very profitable trade. We've got 50% at this point in time, and we've got earnings on the horizon. So I don't want to take everything that we've earned and put it on the red or black on the roulette table, which basically what earnings would be. I want to take that profit and get out. Also want to take advantage of a put on DTV if DTV continues to be down tomorrow. We're going to hold on to our call on Home Depot, and that's all we've got right now. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a brokerage firm. Our instruction is for educational purposes only. Let's take a look at British Petroleum. And British Petroleum, basically we got into British Petroleum as it was overbought up in this region where it was at the +1 on the regression channel, +1 standard deviation. Money flow was coming out of it. So back on, let's see, it was June 30th that we got into this. June 30th was right here. Okay, June 30th we got into a put on British Petroleum. We had a ready set, and this was a go day. Now, it then retreated back. However, you can see that the 5, 8, and 13-day exponential moving average line, the 5 and the 8 never penetrated the 13. That gives us a good idea to hold on to that and just let it go. And you can see that the 13 just followed right along, and it never, the 5 and the 8 never penetrated that. It continued to head on down. Now, just recently it made another measured move, and we can take this one down. Now, the 127 of that measured move is right down here, and that's overextended. 261 of this first measured move is right here. But I've got earnings looming, and earnings is going to be on the 28th, which is next Tuesday. So really what I've been looking for this week is a move to the downside, and when I got that, I wanted to get out. I think that's prudent that we take our profits. We're up to 50%. Back here we got in with an August 45 put and spend $5.55 for it. Today it closed at $8.35 for a 50% gain. Let's go ahead and take that tomorrow on the opening and take that profit and put it in the bank. Looking for a new put on DTV, as DTV was overbought. Money flow is coming out of it, and we had a ready set but an abort, and it's been trying to do that, and we just got a ready set go here. The ribbon has crossed over. The 5 and the 8 are now below the 13. Stochastic is going down. I think this makes for a good put on DTV. The one I'd be looking for is, let's go out. Well, I don't want to go out as far as 148, so let's go out to the September. And DTV is at 92, so let's go with maybe, well, we can go with, the only problem is I've got very little open interest here. I'd probably stick with the very close to at the money, the 95, the September 95 put. It's got nice open interest. It still has a pretty wide bid-ask spread. Now, so when you get in there tomorrow, I'd wait on this till about 10 o'clock, till after the market settles down a little bit. Put this trade in and make sure you go to the midpoint. What do I mean by the midpoint is basically not going in at the natural, which is 350, but going in at the midpoint, which is 310, which saves you a lot of money here. And it might take a little bit longer to fill, but that's basically what you want to do. Just set it at the midpoint, confirm and send, and you've got that all set. And that's my blog for tonight. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Come on back on Sunday night. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of the financially strong stocks, and because we are in the middle of earnings season and a lot has happened, a lot of companies have shown good earnings, but their forward guidance hasn't been that strong, and that's been showing up in some weakness in the market. So we want to take a look at these stocks and kind of review the whole portfolio, and we will do that on Sunday night. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Bye bye now.